Hi everyone, my name is Ecclisia. My register number is URK23CS1120. Today we are going to see the experiment 5, which is data visualization through Python. For the first, we are going to import the CSV file using pandas. After printing the relevant CSV file, then we are going to move on to the question. Mm. The first question is draw a bar chart with the team and its count. Use different colors for each team. Now, for the first, we are going to import the matplotlib.py plot as PLT, then importing cborn as SNS. Then we are using SNS dot count plot of to count the number of employees per team. Then we are using plative to give different colors for each team. Then we are using labels, titles, and rotate x-axis and y-axis labels for better reliability. Then lastly, we are using show of command to print the output. The second question is about to draw a comparative bar chart for salary and new salary against each person. In this question, we are going to print for first 15%. The code is we are selecting first 15 rows from the data set. Then we are using plt.bar to draw bars for salary and new salary. As per the last question, we are using X labels and for X and Y. Then we are using titles and legend. Lastly, we are using show of command to print the output. The third question is to draw a horizontal bar chart for team and salary. Um, Here we are going to firstly use uh, sns.barplot with x equal to salary and y equal to team to make it horizontal. Then we are aggregate salary using mean per team. Then we are using labels for x and y, and we are using titles. Then lastly, we are using show of command to print the output. The fourth question is about draw a stacked bar chart for salary and new price against the person. Here we are going to print for first 10%. Now the code is we are we are selecting first 10 rows from the data set to print the first 10%. Then we are using plt dot bar for salary and the new salary. Then add bottom parameter for stacking new salary. Here we are using labels and title and legend. Then lastly, we are using show of command to print the output. The fifth question is about to draw a pie chart with gender and its count. Mm. Here, firstly, we are going to use value underscore count of to get genders count. Then we are using plt.py to create a pie chart. Then we are using labels. Here we are using labels, colors, then percentage display. At last, we are using show of command and title to display the output. Uh, the sixth question is about to draw a dot plot between person and experience for first 15%, we are going to print the line plot. Here we are selecting first 15 rows from the data set to display for the first 15%. Then we are using plt.scatter of 2 for a dot plot. Then we are using, as per every question, we are using labels for enhancing the plots. We are using color, and then we are using titles. Um, at last, we are using uh, show of command. Here, the X label is used for persons and the Y label is used for experience. The seventh question is draw a line plot between age and experience. Then we need to observe the trend line also. So here also we are going to take the first 15 rows from the data set. Then we are using plt dot plot. In that mainly we are adding markers for the neat and relevant visibility. Then as usual we are using X label for age, then Y label for experience, then we are using title. At last we are using show of command to print the output. For the eighth question, draw the scattered plot between salary and new salary. Then we need to observe the correlation between the both. Here we are using SNS dot scatter plot uh, with salary and new salary. Then we are for enhancing it, inside enhancing the points, we are using color. Then as usual we are giving title. Then and at the last we are using show of command to print the output. Ninth question is about to draw the scatter plot between age and incentive. Then we need to again observe the correlation of the both. Here also we are going to use SNS dot scatter plot. Inside that X is considered as age, then Y is considered as incentive. Then again we are using the color equal to orange to enhance the points. Then we are using title and we are using show of command to print the output. For the 10th question, we are what is the question means? Draw the box plot to show the statistical summary of age column. Here we are going to use SNS dot box plot on age column. This will show median, quantities and outliers. Then we are using title and the show of command to print the output. The 11th question is to draw histogram plot for experience column. Here we are going to use plt.hist of command to plot histogram for experience. Uh, for enhancing, we are using the sky blue color. Then for the edge, for the for this border, we are using the black. Then as usual, we are using X labels. For X, we are considering as experience. Then the Y, we are considering as frequency, and we are giving title. Then at the last, we are using show of command to um, display the output. The last and final question is draw the histogram plot for experience column with bin value and PDF. Okay. Here we are using SNS dot hist plot with stat uh, stat equal to density to get PDF. Show bin values but setting bins. Then to overlay KDI curve for smooth PDF. Then we are using labels as usual X and Y, then title and show of command to print the output. Thank you.